has many great tools, and one of them is Adobe Page, which lets you create a web page. So I'm going to have you log in with your school account at spark.adobe.com. And then you want to continue with Google. You want to choose an enterprise ID. You have to be over 13 to create your own Google account, but your teacher will make sure that you're in the enterprise district account. We're going to create a web page. You can click it here. You can also find it over here. The web page literally is your own website, and it always starts with a title and then you build elements below. I'm going to do a website about how rainbows are formed. So after your title, it allows you to click this little plus and add a picture. Adobe Spark has great free photos, and it also credits them. So if I type rainbow, it will bring up a bunch of different pictures. I'm going to pick this for my background, and this is just going to hang out around my title. I'm also going to pick the theme at this point. There's a few different ones to choose from, and you'll notice as you change them, it will change the fonts of your website. I think I would like to try Whimsy. All right, once you've done that, you're going to add different elements to your website. Maybe you're going to start off by putting a rainbow in your website. Now, I can fill the screen. I can put it in a window so when I scroll it looks different. I can do full width. I can have it move. I can make my photos look really cool in this website. So I'm going to leave it there. I can add text. You never want to have a website if you don't have information. So I'm going to do a heading. H1 is the biggest, H2 is a little smaller, and then we'll do some body text. How rainbows are formed. Period. Down below, I'm going to add something else. I'm just going to add regular text. Rainbows are formed when water droplets pass, when sunlight is passed through water droplets. Okay, I would add more, but for sake of demonstration, I'm going to move on. You can also put a series of pictures in to either make a photo grid or a glide show. I'll show you that really quick. Maybe I want these pictures of real life rainbows in a glide show. Okay, perfect. The last thing I want to do is add, I'm going to save just this glide show. And in a glide show, you can add text to each picture if you want to explain it a little more. It'll go away if I publish it without anything. The very last thing I want to show you is that you can add a video. I found this great YouTube video on how rainbows were formed, and I think that would give good information. So I am just going to copy the link, come back to my Adobe Spark, paste it, and save it. Now I'm going to preview it just like users would view my website. So first there's my title. As I scroll down, there's that big picture that I put in. I have my heading and my text. Here is the glide show that's going to glide from one picture to the next. And here's my video. At the end, it always gives credit to the images that I picked from inside of Adobe Spark. So you are being a good digital citizen. Now, when you get it like you like it, that was a preview. I'm going to click X. You're going to click Share, Publish, and share a link. You're going to pick a category. It's going to make you pick one, so pick Education. You have a title. Your name is in there, and you're going to create a link. This is the link that you're going to copy and share with your teacher, either through Google Classroom or email or however they want it. When you're done, you click on Adobe Spark page and go back home. You'll see your account, and then you can log out.